Hello kids, today we will draw a cute hamster. So let's start. First draw a big curved line, like this. Then draw the hamster hair. Well done, now draw the other side also. Draw the curve, and it's done. Now draw the hamster body. Draw a very big curvy line. Now draw the other side also. Good job, now draw the hamster foot. Draw the round circle, then draw the finger. Well done, now draw the other foot also. Do the same thing, and it's done. Draw the round circle, then draw the finger. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw a line and connect the foot. Good job, now let's draw the hamster ears. Draw a round shape on side like this. Now draw another round shape inside it. Well done, now draw the other ear also. Draw the half oval, like this. Then draw the inside ear. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw the hamster hands. Just draw like me, then draw the finger. Draw two lines, and it's done. Draw the other hand also. Make the long curve, then draw the finger. Good job, now draw the hamster face. First draw the eyes. Draw a big circle, then slowly fill the color. Draw the other eye, just like this. Once you complete the eye, it will look like this. Now draw the hamster nose. Draw a flat shape, like this. Then fill the color. Now draw a cute and happy smile. Lastly, draw the mouth, and we complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. So let's color it. First use brown color and draw a line on one side of face. Now draw a circle on the stomach. Now let's start coloring. Start coloring from the head. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color very carefully, and don't color outside the line. Fill color on the left side, like this. Now color on the left hand. Color very slowly, and carefully fill the color. Color the outside of the eye, then fill brown color. Don't color the hamster face. Color the other side of the body. Color step by step, and it will look very beautiful. Color the right hand, then fill the color to all area. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. You know what? I love hamster. They are so cute and squishy. Lastly, color one of the ear. Color only the outside of the ear. Good job! Look how cute it's looking. Now use cream color on hamster face. Color the ear first. Now color the rest part of the hamster. Color the face outline. Slowly fill the color, but don't color the eye. Good job! Now color the hamster stomach. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, color the hamster foot. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Well done, it's looking very cute. Now use pink color and color the hamster ear. Color only the inside of ear, like this. Now use pink color and make blushes. Draw oval on the eye. Just follow me and it will look very cute. Lastly, use red color and color the hamster tongue. Lastly, use white color and make the hamster shiny. Draw a circle on the eyes. Draw 2 white circles on each eye. Draw a circle big and draw the other one small. Good job! We complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.